In this lecture, we will introduce you to how you can add your own columns to the output that you are printing out. And you can do that by adding it to the select and the columns list that follows select. So we do select, and here we usually put our star. Instead of this, we're going to put employee underscore name. We're going to write our sales amount here. However, we're going to add our conditional operator and we'll say greater than 5,000. And then after that, we'll put our from sales. Let's take a look at what the output is. And you can see that the output that we have produced is for each and every one of the sales, we have seen the customer name for that sale and whether or not that customer has produced something of a greater than $5,000 sale. So for this one, Jimmy has not produced something that is greater than 5,000. However, if we scroll down here, we want to take a look at only Jimmy, and we can do that too. We can say from sales, we can append our where clause, and we say where employee underscore name is equal to Jimmy. Let's do an output now, and you can see that Jimmy has not made most of his sales over 5,000. However, this sale over here, he has made over 5,000, as well as this sale over here. Let's add on our transaction ID so that we can see which of these sales were over 5,000. And we can see that the 685 record that we have and the 940 record that we have are sales where Jimmy has produced something over $5,000. And this is the sort of thing that you can add on so that you can make your data a little more understandable. And this is sort of a simple introduction to how you can add your own columns, which is this column right here that we have added, as well as a practical skill of printing out a simplified version of a column. We could have printed out sales here, but we have done sales underscore amount greater than 5,000 because that is what matters to us, whether or not this person has made a sale greater than 5,000. And we can simplify our output by not having to output say 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, and then have to look for the 5,000 values. We can see them directly here. With this, let's move on to the next lecture where we will discuss aliases for our column names.